How to get $55 Uber coupon codes. Let's get started. Launch your preferred browser. Now in the search box type in Uber coupon code and search for it. Different website links will appear. Using any of these websites, you're gonna get amazing offers and deals for Uber. So go ahead and open any of it. I'm gonna open this one website, Coupon Follow, as this is a legit website. Once you're in the website, scroll down and check out the offers. $30 off, 20% off, $50 off, and many more. Head towards any of the offer you want to grab, click on it. With that, you're going to get the code for it. Make sure you check the offer details, such as expiration date, whether the code is valid or not. If it is valid, copy it, then click on Redeem at Uber. You'll be directed to the official website of it. Now you can go ahead and log into your account, book your ride, and proceed to checkout. While you are in the checkout page, you're gonna find the section of coupon code. Over there, type in the code and confirm your ride. With that, you're gonna get the discount. Likewise, you can also give a try to other offers. As in this website, you're gonna find tons of offers and deals. Lastly, you can also give a try to another website, as other website will also provide you offers and deals for Uber. So this way, you can easily get up to $55 off Uber coupon codes. If this guide was helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.